Let me quickly show you guys how you can install free and paid games in Sidequest. Sidequest is actually where you can find many free games and free application that is compatible with Oculus Quest device. But MetaQuest is the official Oculus Quest store where you will find games and applications that have been officially approved by Oculus Quest. But Sidequest is actually where you can find free games and free apps from new developer that is still built for only Oculus Quest 1, 2, and even the latest Oculus Quest. They are all compatible with all Oculus Quest device. So if you want to get many free games in your Oculus Quest device, I will advise you Sidequest is the best place to go. Although in MetaQuest, which is the official Oculus Quest store, you can find free games, but there are no many free games in MetaQuest, which is the official Oculus Quest store. So let's dive right into my system. Let me show you how you can get the Sidequest software for installing games and applications in your Oculus Quest device. So open a new browser and type sidequestvr.com. I'll put a link in the description below this video for those of you that would like to access the Sidequest store, and click enter. Once you click enter, it will bring you to their website. I have an account with them, and as you guys can see here, this is my picture, but I think I have to go to a new browser where my account is not logged in and enter the website and click enter. If you look at the top right corner here, you see sign in and sign up. The very first thing you need to do is click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you have to put your email or sign up with Discord, GitHub, or Google. So once you put your email and click on send verification, an email will be sent to your email, a link where you will have to click on the link to verify that your email is valid, or copy the code that you're going to see in your email and put it right inside this dialog box. After you're done with the sign up process, come to Sidequest, the same website, and click on sign in. Put in your email and password and sign in. Once you sign in, this is the window. This is how it's going to look. Now come to Get Sidequest and click on this Get Sidequest. Once you click on Get Sidequest, it's going to give you two options: Easy Installer and Advanced Installer. Since you're new to Sidequest, I will advise you to download the Easy Installer, because Advanced Installer, you have to put some information and you have to put your credit card information for you to be able to use all the features in this Advanced Installer. So since you're new, you better use Easy Installer. So now when you scroll down, you will see different download options for different systems. Download for Windows 10, x64, download for Windows 10, x64 setup, download for OS X, Mac OS, download for Mac OS, download for Linux. Depending on the system that you're using, you have to select the actual system that you want to download the application. But I'm using a Windows, so I'll click on download for Windows 10 x64. I've already downloaded this. So once you click on download, you start downloading, and you will find a download file in your download folder. Then once it finishes download, you have to click or right click on it and click install. Once you finish installing the program, you will see an icon like this on your system. This is Sidequest. Now right click, open Sidequest. Once you click on open, it will give you an option to sign in again, because you are now using Sidequest software on your system. Before you downloaded it or you signed up on a browser, but now you're using the software itself. So it might give you the option to sign in again, use the same information and log in. Now, once you're here, you have access to so many free and paid apps. Here, this is home, and here, this is games, support, promote, get Sidequest, giveaway. Now here you click on games, But if you scroll down, once you click on games, you can see there are so many options here. You can see category view, all apps, adventure apps, app lab, building, climbing, combat, custom homes, early access, education, escape, flying, different kind of games. Anyone you click here, if you click on education, it will give you apps that has to do with education. Okay, you can see this is piano, how to learn how to press piano. I think this is for medical students and doctors. Virtual speech. This virtual speech is an app I'm going to install now, and I'll do a video on it later. So if you want to go back, you go up here and click on back. Even my own software needs an update, which I'm going to update much later. Now, if you want to install any of these games or any of this application in your Oculus Quest, the very first thing you need to do is power on your Oculus Quest device by pressing the power on button. Allow your Oculus Quest to boot. Once it comes on, the next thing you need to do while this software is open in your system, the next thing you need to do is make sure you have your Type-C cable to USB cable. This is Type-C to USB cable. The normal Type-C cable for the new Samsung phones and USB cable that every laptop or every desktop uses. So once you have this Type-C to USB cable with you, the first thing you need to do is plug your Type-C cable to your Oculus Quest. Once you plug your Type-C cable to your Oculus Quest, the next is plug the USB cable to your system. Once you plug it, as you guys can see right on top here, let me reduce this window. This is showing, let me refresh. As you guys can see, right on top of this Sidequest window is showing red, which means your headset is not connected. Make sure your headset is powered on, not detected. Now, if you plug this USB cable into your system, this is what is going to happen. It makes sound, and you can see it's now showing green. Oculus Quest is now connected. And here is showing you the battery percentage of your Oculus Quest device. Now, when you look inside your Oculus Quest, once you plug your Oculus Quest, allow connected device to access files. The device you are connected to will be able to access files saved on your lap, saved on your headset. Now, click on allow. You have to click on allow so that you can allow installation in your Oculus Quest. Now, assuming you want to install a particular game or application in your Oculus Quest, let me search for a particular app that I just said, virtual speech. Okay, I want to install this virtual speech. Open it. Once you open it, I will make a video about this virtual speech later, and most of you will like it. Here, click on download app. Your download is on its way. You will be taken to the following site, www.oculusquest.com. As you will be leaving Sidequest, different terms and conditions will apply. Be sure to check them out. Click on OK. Not all the applications you download that will go through this process. Some will download straight. Now, the app is available through App Lab and may be experimental or skill in development. Warning, app from App Lab haven't gone through the full Oculus review process, so they may include unknown issues relating to comfort, performance, or other factors. Okay, click on OK. Now, scroll up and click on Get. Once you click on Get, it will tell you to log in your MetaQuest account. Click on MetaQuest login. Now, if you don't have an account with MetaQuest, make sure you create a new account by clicking on set up account with MetaQuest. MetaQuest is Oculus Quest, Oculus. Create an account with Oculus, but I have an account with Oculus. Sidequest is different from Oculus. Oculus is MetaQuest. So I click on login with Facebook. Once I click on login with Facebook, I am on the same browser where I have my original Facebook. So once I click on login with Facebook, as you guys can see, it has logged me in. This is my picture. This is my Facebook picture. Okay, this is me here. So I am logged in. So the next thing we need to do is click on Get App. Once you click on Get, you can see it's showing purchased. Although it's a free app, it's not a paid app. So once you're done with this, and put on your headset. So once you get inside your Oculus Quest, I'm right inside here in my Oculus Quest, and go to App Library, click on it. Make sure you go to All. As you guys can see, virtual speech is here waiting for me to install it. So once I click on this app, it will start installing in my Oculus Quest device. But not all application, not all games or application that you have to go through this process. Okay, some application in Sidequest, once you click on that download, it will start downloading the application straight to your Oculus Quest. But in case of other applications that might need to be downloaded through this process, you have to create an account in MetaQuest. So with this process, you can download any kind of app in your Oculus Quest device. So let's go. Let me show you how you can know which one is free game and which one is paid game. Once you go back to your Sidequest, and click on back, go to games. These are different categories, and go to okay, let me say all apps. You will see a list of apps here. You can see here, this one is free, this one is open source, this one is free, this one is paid, this is virtual desktop, this is free, this is demo. You can download the demo and try the trial version, as in they just launched the app and they want people to try it and see the user experience, what people feel, because you can write review through this Sidequest and tell the developer what you feel about the game. Not just playing the game. You can come to review and write review and tell them you like the game, the graphics is not good, blah blah blah, the sound is not good, say what you feel about the game, what your experience feels like when playing the game or when using the app. So from here you can see demo, free, open source, depending. Okay, pre-release, you can still download pre-release and test. So from here, you can download lots and lots of games and try different games. And anyone you don't like, you can still decide to go to your Oculus Quest headset and uninstall the application or the game. So guys, this is how you can install any kind of game or application in your Oculus Quest. It's quite very simple. If this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Asugha Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you wouldn't miss any of my content. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.